The Russian River is really the lifeblood of West County. It's critical because not only does it provide an economic engine for Western Sonoma County, it is really also just this absolutely magical ecosystem that we get to enjoy. The river is a huge transporter of sediment, of nutrients, of resources out to our marine ecosystem. I really consider it to be a linear park.
Regional Parks operates a number of facilities along the Russian River here in Sonoma County. These places are really incredible opportunities for our community, for visitors to come and experience a whole different side of Sonoma County. Oftentimes it can be quite busy, particularly during the summer season when we know it's going to be warm, nice weather for being outdoors and along the water.
The Russian River is a great place to go swimming, kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding. It's also a great place for people to go floating. People will bring non-motorized recreational vehicles around here as well. One of the most popular tubing routes is going to be from Steelhead to Sunset Beach. That'll take you about 3 to 4 hours depending on the flow rate of the river, if you're going to stop to go swimming, if you're going to stop somewhere to eat.
The premier experience on the Russian River right now really has to be the Russian River Shuttle program, where you can come on out, jump on a shuttle, in a safe parking area, come on down to the beach, have a nice 3 to 4 hour float, and a shuttle will return you back to your car.
Here at Regional Parks, we take water safety very seriously. We encourage people to swim during the months of May through September. Anytime before that, the flow rates can be way too dangerous, and always wear a life jacket. You can always borrow one of our life jackets at our life jacket loaner racks that we have stationed. Life jackets are one of the best ways to keep you and your loved ones safe. In 2013, Sonoma County Regional Parks introduced what's called the Russian River Water Safety Patrol. The River Patrol patrols our beaches Friday through Monday from Memorial Day to Labor Day. They'll help people get fitted for life jackets. They'll give people tips how to navigate the river. If they see anybody in trouble, if there's any emergencies, they're going to respond accordingly.
Sonoma County Regional Parks works in close partnership with our partners at Environmental Health, as well as the Regional Water Quality Control Board, to help maintain and assess and monitor water quality conditions for public safety when recreating in and around the river. If you happen to visit a beach and you see a posting, I encourage the public to read it very carefully and ask questions of park staff if they are curious about the safest and best ways to recreate that day on the river.
The Russian River, being a part of a community, being a source and a destination for visitors, really means that we have to treat the river with respect and with extra care because there are so many pressures. One of the most important things when you visit the Russian River is to leave no trace. Take away whatever it is that you bring there. We have so many people coming in to get a slice of this natural beauty, and we really need to be careful to treasure that beauty and not to push it past its breaking point.
We have lots and lots of projects happening up and down the river right now that are really tied to ecological restorations as well as public access opportunities. We offer a number of outings and programs where you can, for example, learn to paddleboard and learn how to kayak safely. We really are trying to focus our programming so that folks understand what the opportunity is, what the resource is, and to have the confidence to come out and embrace this healthy outdoor lifestyle.
Regional Parks has a water safety outreach program called Vamos a Nadar. It's a free program that you can sign up for. You'll get the basics, the 101 crash course on water safety, and it's just a great way to get involved in Sonoma County Regional Parks programs in general.
The Russian River is the ultimate trail in Sonoma County. We're really trying to envision a future there that really is adaptable to the wide variety of river situations that will occur with flows and water quality.
We want folks to kayak, we want folks to canoe, we want folks to swim in these waters. We want healthy fish populations and a healthy salmon population. And so it really is about finding that balance of making sure it's a healthy ecosystem so that we can all enjoy it and share it together.